If your garage door opener is acting up, it's probably because the garage door springs are broken or totally worn out. This is super common and messes with the whole system. So, garage door springs do the heavy lifting, literally making it easier for the opener to raise and lower the door. When those springs get old or snap, the opener has to work way harder, and sometimes it won't work at all. First, always check if the springs look rusty, stretched out, or have any gaps. Those are dead giveaways. If you notice any of that, don't try to force the door open or close because it can be dangerous. The best move is to call a pro to replace those springs. They know how to handle the tension safely. If you're feeling handy and want to learn more, just remember that garage door springs come in different sizes and strengths, so matching the right ones to your door is key. Also, keep in mind that balancing the door after spring replacement is crucial so your opener doesn't burn out. Lastly, regular maintenance like lubricating the springs and checking for wear helps avoid this headache in the first place. One of the biggest mistakes people make with garage door spring issues is ignoring the signs until the opener completely stops working. That just makes repairs more expensive and risky. Another common problem is trying to replace springs yourself without knowing how to manage the high tension, which can cause serious injury. A simple fix? Always hire a licensed professional for spring replacement and follow their advice on maintenance. Lastly, some folks forget to regularly lubricate and inspect their springs, which leads to faster wear and tear. Doing this regularly keeps everything running smooth. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners find trusted, local contractors who actually know how to handle garage door repairs safely and affordably. Plus, it's a solid spot for contractors looking to connect with people who need their skills, making the whole process easier for everyone.